The Ribeiro family yearned for a tranquil escape in their hometown, a refuge bathed in summer sunshine. This wasn't just any summer home, it held the potential to become their permanent haven. Mateus Monteiro, the architect, knew this project held special significance. Not only was it for his own brother, but it was also a chance to craft a space that transcended mere aesthetics and became an extension of the family themselves. Monteiro began by delving into the family's desires. The father, a mining engineer, held a deep fascination for concrete, a material that would become a cornerstone of the design. Visions of lush landscapes and a kitchen enveloped by greenery danced in the couple's minds. Understanding these preferences was paramount for Monteiro. He believed that a truly functional home wasn't just about fulfilling desires, but about creating a space that seamlessly integrated into the family's routine, a space that felt truly lived in. The familial connection added a layer of heartfelt personalization to the project. The couple harbored a special fondness for Ouro Preto, a historic city in Brazil. Monteiro incorporated curated pieces that paid homage to this beloved place. Photographs capturing the city's essence by Zurica adorned the walls, while wood, soapstone, and ceramic vases whispered tales of Ouro Preto's rich cultural heritage. A photo of the university greeted visitors at the entrance, while a painting depicting a church's intricate ceiling, positioned beside a classic mole armchair, subtly echoed the city's architectural beauty. The facade itself alluded to Ouro Preto soapstone, its surface a canvas etched with the artistry of the jet's technique, brushed strokes. Stepping inside, one encountered a symphony of textures. The living room showcased a contemporary dance between exposed concrete walls and ceilings, softened by the warmth of wooden slatted panels. As per the homeowner's wishes, the kitchen blossomed amidst a verdant haven. The intimate space, shielded by French doors reimagined in a Minas Gerais style, blurred the lines between indoors and outdoors, inviting the calming presence of nature into the very heart of the home. The master's suite echoed this connection to nature, featuring a bathtub sculpted from soapstone, a luxurious centerpiece for the couple's sanctuary. Every element, from the meticulously designed landscaping by Flavia D'Urso to the strategic use of light, was meticulously chosen to foster a sense of tranquility and connection with the surrounding greenery. The social areas embodied the family's preferences, while the exquisite soapstone pool, nestled amidst flourishing flora, beckoned for relaxation. A staircase adorned with ceramic vases led to the barbecue area, complete with a built-in fireplace, a perfect spot for evenings spent under the starlit sky. Casa wasn't just a summer home, it was a testament to the power of thoughtful design and a place that whispered promises of lasting comfort and a yearning to return. There you have it. Casa, a stunning blend of contemporary design and the homeowner's personal connection to Aro Preto. If you're looking for inspiration for a space that reflects your own passions and fosters a connection with nature, be sure to leave a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible architecture videos, and let us know in the comments what kind of homes you'd love to see featured next.